Today we are going to make orange Halloween slime with spiders. This we will need some glue, foam shaving cream, foam hand wash, an activator, orange colouring and some spiders. Okay, so let's begin. First the glue goes in. This is going to be fluffy slime, so the glue needs to be white. And a bit more. Okay, and a bit more. Okay. So in goes the shaving foam. Now the foam hand wash. Okay, now let's just mix all of these together. Okay, now let's add some colouring. Okay, should be enough. Maybe just a bit more. Now it's looking much better. So what do you think? Maybe a bit more? Let's see. Let's just add some more. I want this one really orange because it's Halloween, that's why. Okay, and now what we will need is the magic ingredient, which is the activator. Just a few drops. And now we shall mix. Okay, and now we can get our hands in. Okay, so it's still a bit sticky, so what I'm going to do is just put it here and then add some more activator. Seems like it wasn't enough. Okay, now let's try it. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it's not sticky anymore. So it's right the way we want it to be. Okay. Okay, and now we shall add our spiders to the slime. Okay, and it's done. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time. Bye, Bubbly.